Yes, what's going on? What's going on, people? It's the Guardian driver. I'm just going to shoot this quick video just to kind of fill you into how to use Waze, the Waze navigation, to actually make more money. Now, I've been an Uber driver not long, since September, but it's only recently I've actually figured out really how powerful Waze really was, because I used to always hate the platform, at least the sat navigation that Uber gives you. And let me just get straight into it, because this Waze app, if you're not familiar with Waze, it's a sat navigation app that combines social networking to fill you in on what's happening on the road in real time and lets you avoid traffic. Now, that's important because as an Uber driver, you're going to be always on the road, so you want to have something that will allow you to avoid traffic and get to your destinations quicker, so you can get the next fare and make more money. So now, mind you, I got this from the Simple Driver. You know, all his teachings has been really helpful, and this is just a way that you can use Waze to actually help you and benefit and help you make money, and it's more beneficial for you in the long run. So here it is anyway. So one thing you need to do is that once you open Waze, you need to use the favorites. Now, you need to use favorites in a way where you bookmark certain spots that have demand in any given period. Now, I don't know where you are in the city, but here in London, there's certain spots that are like really high demand, meaning that there's a lot of customers that need a fare, and there's not many Uber drivers there to help them. Now, once you do that, once you make a list of all the favorites, all you got to do is that as soon as you drop someone off somewhere, all you got to do is just go to your favorites, hit one of the destinations, and you're back right in the spots that the demand is. So you're not chasing the next fare by driving aimlessly. You know, the whole idea is not to drive aimlessly. So that's one way. Another way is to look at all the events happening in the city in any given week, make a list of them, and go and use the planned drive section and plan to drive to these these events 30 minutes prior, because that's when the surge is actually going to happen. That's what the Simple Driver says as far as anticipating the surge. Now, that will help you make more money, because one, it will allow you to be there nice and early when events are finishing, so to pick people up, and two, it'll give you a list of places you can get fares from in any given single week. Again, not driving aimlessly. Waze is good because it allows you to really look at what's going to happen in front of you miles down the road. So people are already like commenting and reporting things that are already happening. So another way to, I mean, again, the third tip I'm going to give you is like, once you get a notification that says heavy traffic ahead 2 miles in front, you know that you can take a detour that will allow you to avoid all that and get that person to where he or she needs to be a lot quicker. Now, that's it for Waze. You know, I mean, I highly recommend it. You know, there's going to be a link to the website below in the description box, which will give you a chance to check out the website, see what you think of it, check out the app, and I believe it's available for Android and iPhone as well. So that's it from me. That's the Guardian driver, and I'll speak to you guys soon. Okay.